Okay, folks, smarter things have been done by us before.
Yes.
Zippin Pippin is still running. It's drizzling. It's raining.
It's raining.
It's
Yeah, so
it's crazy.
I'm watching the W Barker.
Yeah, we're wet from watching the ship. I was like, all right, we're gonna pull up in the parking lot. I just wanted to see the sign, the Z and the P were lit up, but like everything else is kind of dark. But I was like, I want to see. I want to ride. If it's open, we're going for a rain ride. El Michelle was about to let me go alone, and I convinced her.
You convinced me?
Kinda. I guilt tripped you. I said I didn't want to have trip 2, even if it's a short one. Just be us. I'm getting a finger. And I just found a ticket. Nice. Oh, I'm number 1? Hey, cool. So consider this our intro, and there will probably be a review and conclusion mixed together because we're not going to be here long. Not much will probably be open, but I can't pass up a Zippin Pippin rain ride. Can I? Can we? Let's see how this one goes.
This is going to be awful.